Okay, so my buddy has a flat tire. I purchased this a long time ago from AutoZone, and I'm like, maybe this could work. This is a Fix-A-Flat.
That's world inspiration.
What is this?
Fix-A-Flat.
It could be a gimmick or it could be real.
Gimmick.
Shake hand vigorously for 30 seconds.
Nigga, a pack of worms is gonna come out of there. Look at him recording. Fix-A-Flat.
Is that a rub? Is that a?
Those are hair ties.
No way.
Rotate puncture to 6 o'clock position if possible.
It says if possible.
We don't know. If possible.
Shake hand, say Bismillah, and then twist up.
Neighbor was a mechanic, said this is a gimmick. Well, let's prove him wrong. I'm gonna send this to him.
Is that a bone?
Yeah, this is a gimmick.
What did I give you? I put shaving cream in your tire.